Good evening, students. How are you? This is Ankit Joshi. I welcome you all on India's largest e-learning platform, BYJU'S Exam Prep. Students, I welcome you all on this channel. And in this session, we are going to discuss some very good quality PYQs, generally based on differential equations, first order, higher order, and partial differential equation. One common question to all of you students: am I audible? Students, a small announcement for you. GATE PYQ series is on our EC Electrical Instrumentation YouTube channel 2018, 2019, 22, 2021 up to 22. So all these papers PYQs will be solved live on this YouTube channel that is already started on 18th of December. You can be the part of this series. Students, can I have your response? One more announcement that you can avail scholarships up to 90% on preparing with us. Students, to get this 90% scholarship, you need to register yourself for the mock test. So the 24th of December 8 p.m. this is the schedule. You can enroll. Scholarship test is there. And students, I request all of you to share the link in all your contacts. Meanwhile, you can see the information regarding the GATE and ESE test series. Length mocks will be there, subject wise tests will be there, and yes, of course, the link to join this test series is given in the description box. On your screen, you can see the information regarding the various features of this test series. 60 plus tests, detailed mock analysis, can use virtual scientific calculator there. This test series is curated by the GATE experts, and all India level mock are available. 4,000 plus practice questions. So these are all the key features. And students, you can download the free ebook from the description box. So this is the brief introduction about me. Students, my name is Ankit Joshi and I have been teaching in this domain since more than 16 years, and my subjects of interest are engineering, mathematics, circuits and signals and systems. I request all of you to hit the like button if you have not done so, and requesting you to subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. So students, comes our first question from differential equation. See, first of all, we will be dividing this differential equation by 2. सबसे पहले इसको हम 2 से divide करेंगे. If you divide it by 2, you will get d2y by dt square plus 4y equal to 0. Moreover, I will denote d by dt by d. by dt को d से denote करेंगे. So d square plus 4y. d square plus 4y is taken common equal to 0. Now students, I will write the auxiliary equation. 0 plus minus 2i. Compare this with alpha plus minus I. Alpha will be 0, beta will be 2. Okay. So students, we can write the CF. Since right hand side is 0. देखो बच्चा, right hand side is 0. So only CF will be the part of the solution. Only CF will be the part of the solution. PI will be 0. CF. Since right hand side is 0, which implies PI will be 0. Okay. Therefore, complete solution will be on. Complete solution is denoted by dependent variable. CF लिखना है आपको. Alpha is 0, beta is 2. Remember that the independent variable is t. याद रखना है आपको independent variable t है. So C1 is to cos 2t C2 sin 2t. Okay. Now, what is the initial condition you have here? You can put t equal to 0 at y equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Since t equal to 0 and y equal to 0, put this in equation 1. इसको equation 1 में रख देते हैं. So, students, t equal to 0, y equal to 0. Put here. C1 cos 0 is 1. C2 sin 0 will be 0. C1 is ultimately 0. C1 0 हो गया. So this equation 1 give us the general solution. Y equal to C2 sin 2. ये आ गया आपका एक और solution. More precise solution. Question number 2. Y equal to C1 0 है, C2 sin 2t. Okay. Now another initial condition is dy by dt. dy by dt. So dy by dt के form में दूसरा initial condition है. So we supposed to find dy by dt both sides. So differentiate करो. dy by dt. C2 constant. Derivative of sin 2t will be cos 2 into. Okay. The initial condition dy by dt is 10 when t equal to 0. देखो बच्चों, dy by dt is given as 10, equation 3. dy by dt is 10 to c2 0, c2 cos 0. So c2 will be ultimately equation 2. equation 2 क्या मिलेगा? y equal to 5 times sin 2. ये हो गया हमारा particular solution. Yes, students, can I have your response? I'm not getting your response. What we want? We want the value of y at t equal to 1. So students, y at t equal to 1, 5 times sin 2. This will be our answer. Remember that this 2 is in radians. So if you solve it, 5 sin 2, 4.54. Students, you may be thinking, 2 तो बहुत छोटा एंगल है. So if this 2 is a very small angle, then sin 2 will be very close to 0. The answer तो बड़ा आ रहा है. So how come this is possible? Student, for your kind information, I just wanted to tell that here nothing is mentioned about the uh, unit of this angle. So by default this is in radians. For your kind information, friends, 1 radian means nearly 57.3 degrees. So if 2 radians means 7.3, means it is nearly 114.6 degrees. 114.6 degrees. That's why not a small value, this is a big value. Because sine 2, that is sine 2 degrees, sine nearly sine 114. Sine okay. Now see this question. The families of curves represented by the solution of the equation. Okay. So you have to solve this equation for n equal to -1 and n equal to 1. Okay, sir. So let us put n equal to -1. n equal to minus 1. So x by y to the power minus 1 minus, separate the variables, y by y by equal to minus. Bring all the terms to the left hand side. Dx by x equal to 0. Integrate both sides. Log x log y equal to log c. So taking anti-log, you will get log xy equal to log c, xy equal to c. Xy equal to c means hyperbola. Xy equal to c means hyperbola. So for n equal to minus 1, we are actually getting hyperbola. What about when you are putting n equal to plus 1? When you are putting n equal to plus 1, students, I am not getting your response. Y by dx. Of n is 1. Y dy xt. Now integrate both. We will get x square by 2, y square by 2 equal to integration of 0 is 0, but c will be the x square plus y square equal to 2. So we can write it as 2 root 2c. So this is a circle. So for n equal to minus 1, actually we are getting hyperbola, and for n equal to plus 1, you are getting a circle. Option C will be the correct answer. Comfortable? Next question. See this one. Consider the homogeneous ordinary differential equation. Nothing but a Cauchy's equation. First of all, we'll write this equation in D form. X square dy dx is d, x square d square minus 3xd plus 3 y comma equal to 0. Square d square minus y is common equal to. So this is Cauchy's homogeneous form. To solve this, you need to do some substitution. You need to put x square d square equal to d1 into d1 minus x into d is d1 plus 3 y comma. Simplify करो. d1 square minus d1 minus 3d1 is minus 4d1 y comma. First of all, we'll write the auxiliary m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to minus 4 and m in m square minus 4m plus 3. Correct? Yes, sir. Ila Jain, good evening. Welcome to the session. This will be m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to. We have got this. We have got this roots. After getting this root, what you need? We will be writing CF. CF will be C1 e to the power 3x, C2 e to the power 1x. Okay, sir. X and 3. But independent variable will be z, because in Cauchy's form you are replacing x by e raised to z. So this is your y equal to CF, 1 e raised to z, C2 e raised to 3. Let us replace them by x. So C1 e raised to z is x, e raised to 3z will be x cube. What is the initial condition? Y of 1 is 1. phi of 1 is 1. Phi of 1 is 1. और क्या है? Phi of 2 is 4. Putting x equal to 2, you will get 2c1 and 8c2. Divide by 2 both sides. 1 plus 4c2 equal to 7. Now what can be done? Equation 2 minus c1 c1 cancelled. 4c2 minus c2 will 7 minus 1 will be 6. So c2 will be and then what? Then what? c2 is 2. 1 will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So we have got c2 and c1. So putting them in equation 1. So y1 equal to c1x plus c2x cube. Ila, I am also running the same on a parallel system. I request you to refresh your rejoin. C1x plus c2 x cube. c1 is minus 1, c2 is 2. What we want? We want to y at y equal x equal to 1.5. Can you help me in calculating this? .25 is man. Comfortable? 2019. Moving to the next. Yes. Good evening, अरुण कुमार यादव. कैसे हैं? Next. General solution of Cauchy's Euler equation. This is again a Cauchy's homogeneous form. We will write this in D form. इसको D form में लिखते हैं. X square D square minus 7x into D. 16. A common. Very good. Now just replace x square D square by D1 into D1 minus 7. X into D by D1. 16. 5 common equal. Now what to do? Simplify this. D1 square minus D1 minus 7 D1 minus 16 by common equal. Writing the auxiliary equation, what you will get? M square minus 8m equal to m1 and m2 both are equal. That will be F will be 1 plus c2 z e raised to 4z. Correct? Since y equal to cf, c1 plus z will be log x, e to the power 4z means x. Option C will be the correct answer. Done. Previous question में -1.5 plus 3. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में -x+2x³ है ना बेटा. यहाँ पर x की जगह 1.5 and 2 times 1.5 का क्यूब. आंसर करेक्ट. सीरीज. ये एक फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है. This is a first order differential equation where you can go for variable separable form. dy on dx. 7x square y is brought to the other side. Minus 7 dy upon y. Minus 7x square. Now integrate both sides. Log y. Plus some constant c. Equation number 1. What is the initial condition? The condition is I of 0 equal to 3 by 7. So you can put x equal to 0, y equal to 3 by 7. Log 3 by 7 is 0. C. Value of c is log by 7. You can put this c in equation. So you will get log y minus 7 by plus c. C is log 3 by 7. Log y minus log 3 by 7. Like this. And on the right hand side you are having 7 by 3x cube. Taking anti-log, get y 7y by 3 or minus 7y will be Rashmita Panigrahi. We'll take some quality questions on differential equations and partial differential equations, then we'll start. This question was from GATE 2019 mechanical branch. Let's move to the next. Dy by dx plus 4y equal to 5. Okay. Students, we can easily solve this using variable separable form as well as linear form. So here I am just following. I will just compare this with dy by dx plus py equal to p is 4 and q is 5. Let us find out integrating to the power integration p dx. Integration of p dx. So 4. Ayush Kumar, this class is useful for GATE exam. IF. After getting IF, what is solution? Solutions format. Dependent variable into integrating factor. integration x plus c. Integrating factor is e raised to 4x. Q. What is Q? Q is 5. IF. IF is e raised to 4x plus c. Integration of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x upon plus c. So, what is the initial condition? Initial condition is y of 0 equal to 2.25. I is 2.25. I is 2.25. E raised to 0 will be 1. Then 5 by 4 plus c. 2.25 minus 1.25. Of course, variable separable is also applicable. Already said. Question 1. 5 by 4. Value of c is 1. Now what is the answer? What you want? Solution of this differential. Divide by e raised to 4. 5 by 4. So y equal to 1.25. 5 by 4 means 1.25 is to minus 4x. Come on, respond fast. Next. See this question. GATE 2019 मैकेनिकल ब्रांच. देखो भाई, ये भी कॉचीज फॉर्म है, इसको डी फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. तो एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर देन माइनस 2xd प्लस 2 और y सब में से कॉमन. अब क्या करेंगे? वी विल राइट दिस इन d1 फॉर्म. स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर इज 1 into d1 minus 1 minus 2d1 plus 2. y कॉमन आएगा बेटा. 1 स्क्वायर minus y कॉमन 4. सफल विल राइट द CF. CF के लिए क्या होगा? रूट्स क्या है? सबसे पहले ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन माइनस m plus m equal to 1 and m equal to 2 are the roots. One e raised to z or c2 e raised to minus z. Sorry, c2. CF. Now we have to find pi also. Right hand side function is 4. pi का फॉर्मेट 1 upon f of d1 to right hand side function. F of d1 is d1 square minus 3d1 plus 2. Right hand side function is 4%. 1 can be written as d1 by 0. Case 1 है ना. In case 1 how to solve? Case 1 for finding pi क्या होता है? What is that case 1? Replace d1 by a. A is 0. It is 2 is 1. So 4 by 2 will become 2. Complete solution is CF plus P. What is CF? पीछे देखो, पीछे तो देखो. C1 is to Z, C2 is to 2 plus 2. This is the Z को कन्वर्ट भी तो करना पड़ेगा. C1x 2x square plus 2. Option A हो सकता है. C1 and C2 are constants. Terms can be exchanged. No worries at all. See this. ये भी कॉचीज फॉर्म है. देखो बहुत बार कॉचीज फॉर्म का क्वेश्चन आ चुका है और इस बार भी एक्सपेक्टेड है. चलिए इसको डी फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर को डी स्क्वायर लिखा. फिर आया -2 x डी प्लस 2 वाई कॉमन. अब क्या करेंगे? अब हम इसको लिखेंगे d1 फॉर्म में. एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे d1 -1. क्या गया? d1 स्क्वायर माइनस d1 -2 2. सर अब हम लिखेंगे यहाँ ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन m1 का वैल्यू 1 और m2 का वैल्यू 2 जब हो जाएगा y के बराबर, क्योंकि राइट हैंड साइड 0 है तो pi, राइट हैंड साइड 0 है तो pi 0 होगा. y विल बी ओनली c1 e raised to z और c1 e raised to z, e raised to z, c1 e raised to z, z मतलब x का स्क्वायर. y ऑफ 1 दिया है 0. y ऑफ 1 तो देने का मतलब इक्वेशन 1 में रखो. y का वैल्यू 0 है और x का वैल्यू 1 है. तो y ऑफ 2 दिया है 2. 1 में रखा. y का वैल्यू 2, यहाँ पर 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, आ गया. इस प्रकार से हमारे पास में दो इक्वेशन माइनस बी माइनस c1 आएगा. c2 माइनस c2 करूंगा तो c2 आएगा. 2 का वैल्यू 1 है, 1 का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा. देखो अगर पहले तो मैं स्क्रीन पर दोबारा आ जाता. c1x प्लस c2x स्क्वायर हमारा सॉल्यूशन. c1 का वैल्यू 0 है, c2 का वैल्यू 1 है. y इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर हमें चाहिए y ऑफ 3 यानी कि 9 हो जाएगा. F3 यानी कि 9 हो जाएगा। ओके, देख लीजिए। नेक्स्ट, देखो वेरिएबल सेपरेट करते हैं यहाँ पर। y के नीचे y लाएंगे और dx के नीचे x log x आएंगे। इंटीग्रेट कर लो तो 1/y का इंटीग्रेशन log y हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे देखो, ध्यान से देखो कि log x को अगर मैं t मान लूँ, log x का डेरिवेटिव 1/x होता है, नीचे वाले फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर मिल रहा है, नीचे वाले का डेरिवेटिव ऊपर मिल रहा है, तो आंसर आएगा log ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर प्लस सम कांस्टेंट log c, log y माइनस log c यानी कि log y बाय c आएगा। टेकिंग एंटी लॉग y इक्वल इनटू c की जगह उन्होंने कांस्टेंट k लिखा हुआ है, इक्वल टू ln x, ऑप्शन करेक्ट आंसर ए सम। यहाँ देखिए, ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का राइट हैंड साइड 0 है, तो सबसे पहले तो हम डी फॉर्म में डी बाई डी टी की जगह पर डी रख लेंगे, 5d प्लस 6, इनमें से हमने x कॉमन ले लिया, x हमारा डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल सेट 0, तो ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन लिखा m स्क्वायर माइनस 5m प्लस 6 इक्वल, यहाँ से दो रूट्स आ गए, 2 और 3, सी एफ का वैल्यू क्या होगा, राइट हैंड साइड 0 है, तो जो सी एफ होगा वही कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन होगा, 1 e इनिशियल कंडीशन निकालना है, इसको इक्वेशन 1 नाम दे दो, x ऑफ 0 इक्वल टू 0। एक बात हो, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल y नहीं है, जी सर, सब 0 इक्वल 1 प्लस, एक और कंडीशन x बाई डी टी ले रहे हैं, इसमें फिट कर दो, x बाई डी टी हो जाएगा e रेस टू 4, 3 टाइम्स C2 e रेस टू 3। ये हो गया हमारा इक्वेशन नंबर 2। यहाँ पर इनिशियल कंडीशन दिया है dx by dt equal to 0 is 10 by dt is 10 जी 2 में रखा by dt का वैल्यू 10 है, का वैल्यू 0 है तो 1 प्लस 3 आएगा। वन प्लस सी टू ऑलरेडी 0 है तो सी का वैल्यू आने वाला है 10। टू का वैल्यू 10 आ गया तो C1 का वैल्यू आएगा माइनस, C1 का वैल्यू आएगा माइनस, रख दीजिए वैल्यू यहाँ पर इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में। इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में रखा तो x का वैल्यू C1 e raised to 2, C2 e raised to 3, C1 का वैल्यू -10, C2 का वैल्यू +10। क्या फाइंड करना है? हो गया -10 e raised to 2t +10 e raised to 3, and D is the correct answer. ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन डी स्क्वायर यू बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर, देखो ये डबल डेरिवेटिव का टर्म है, माइनस 2 टाइम्स इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल इनटू डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, तो ऐसे लिख सकते डी स्क्वायर यू बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू टू साइन। एक बात तो बड़ी क्लियर है कि डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल और डेरिवेटिव टर्म आपस में मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है। डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है u और डेरिवेटिव टर्म डी यू बाई डी एक्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई नहीं है, तो ये हो गया आपका लीनियर इक्वेशन, लीनियर है। और यहाँ पर देखो डेरिवेटिव के साथ जो कोएफिशिएंट है वो एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं है। अगर सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव का कोएफिशिएंट एक्स स्क्वायर होता तो यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर डी स्क्वायर यू बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर होता, आप कहते ये होमोजेनस टर्म है, तो ये नॉन होमोजेनस होगा, लीनियर एंड नॉन होमोजेनस। ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इंजीनियर, इस सवाल को देखिए, इसका हमने ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन लिखा तो एम स्क्वायर माइनस 6m प्लस 9 के दो रूट्स आए m1 और m2, ये दोनों 3 हो जाएंगे। राइट हैंड साइड 0 है तो pi 0 होगा, कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन में सिर्फ और सिर्फ CF होगा। i 1 प्लस C2x e रेस टू mx, m का वैल्यू 1 प्लस C2x e रेस टू mx। ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Consider the initial value problem. The value of y at x equal to log 2. dy by d is there 2x minus y। अच्छा जी, ये हो गया आपका लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। यहाँ से आप p ले लेंगे 1 और q ले लेंगे 2। तो जब आप इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर लेंगे e टू द पावर इंटीग्रेशन p dx, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 हो जाएगा इस टू एक्स, ये आ गया IF। सॉल्यूशन लिखना है आपको, सॉल्यूशन लिखना है तो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल कौन है? डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल y, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर है, फैक्टर है e रेस टू एक्स। इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ q, q का वैल्यू है ट्वाइस x, if का वैल्यू e रेस टू x प्लस c। यहाँ पर आएगा इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड हो गया माइनस सी, तो एक से डिवाइड करो। इनिशियल कंडीशन डाल, y of 0 is 1, value of y is 1, x is times x minus 2 हो जाएगा, s to 0 is 1, c का वैल्यू आ गया, का वैल्यू 3 इक्वेशन में रख दो, y equal to 2 times x minus 1, c is 3 minus x. We have to find the value of y at x equal to log 2. Equal to log 2. Minus 1 is minus e raised to g is minus power of 2 now. Log is 1. So is minus 2 plus 3 times 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. Log 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 log 2 1 by 2 should be our answer. Another question. Now see this one. Here this is P. Just a moment. dy by dx plus x upon 1 minus x square y equal to x root y. On right hand side this root y is not allowed. So we will be dividing the whole equation by root y. Dividing the whole equation by root y. 1 upon root y dy by dx. Y upon root y will be. So students, this is your v. Put root y equal to differentiate with respect to 1 upon dy by dx. So 1 upon root y dy by dx by dx. Let us put this 1 upon root y dy by 2 x upon 1 minus root y. Root y is divide by 2. So the Let us find out the integrating factor. If P is x by 2, 1 minus x is to the power 1 by 2 x upon 1 minus. See here, what is the derivative of this denominator? Is denominator का derivative? Derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Minus 1 by 4. Derivative of denominator is present in the numerator. Derivative of denominator present in the numerator. So is log of the denominator. Okay. E raised to log cancelled, and you will be getting 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 4. Our CF. Sorry, IF. After getting IF, solution. Solution. Dependent variable into integrating factor. Integration Q C. IF is 1 minus square to the power minus. What about Q? Q means this right hand side function. Right hand side, not this one. By 2. IF. So what to be done next? Pi into 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 1 by 2 is taken out. Now you tell me, is the derivative minus 2x. Multiply and divide by pi into x square or minus 1 by. Yes, Hemant. Y into 1 minus x square to the power minus 1. Then we have minus 1 by 4. And students, derivative of this bracket is adjacent here. Answer is bracket to the power n plus 1 upon n plus. C. One minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So 4 cancel. 1 by 1 minus C. To divide this by 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 4. 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 4 brought to the numerator. 3 times 1. The IF was expected here. IF we already obtained. IF was 1 minus x square to the power 1 by 4. Option B will be the correct answer. Okay, Hemant. Tomorrow there will not be class. कल नहीं होगा, but day after tomorrow I will be session Laplace transform for mechanical and civil engineers. As I know that mechanical and civil engineers know very less about the Laplace transform, and there is one question from Laplace transform in their GATE paper. Okay, so we will spare near about 1 hour time Laplace transform. Okay. Y of x satisfies the differential equation this one. Students, how to solve this? So divide the entire equation by sin x. We'll get y by dx plus cos upon sin will be cot. 1 upon okay. Students, you have to compare it with dy by dx plus py equal to q. So p will be cot x and q will be cos x. Now we will find out if. Cot x. Integration of cot is e to the power log sin. E and log gets cancelled, you will get only sin x. Now work on the solution. Dependent variable. What is that integration q? What is q? Cosec if sin x. So sin x and cosec x gets cancelled. I sin x. Integration of 1 will be x plus c. Initial conditions are y of pi by 2 is pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 c will be 0. After getting c equal to 0, you can put here. Equation 1 will be y sin x equal to x plus 0. What we want? We want y of pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 means sin 30, that is 1 by 2. So 2 pi by 6, that is pi by 3 should be the answer. Option A will be the correct answer. So students, that's all from my side in this. Bring you one question as the homework. This will be the homework question for you. I request all of you to comment your answers in the comment box. Okay? Students, if you have not joined my Telegram group, Electronics by Ankit, requesting you to join that group, that you will be getting any further updates regarding any of my classes on. Jai Hind.